We are on the fifth floor of this particular apartment, and where we are now entering into the east facing flat on the fifth floor, which is available for sale. So as you can entering into the east facing flat, you can see that the entrance is the east facing, and as you enter into this hall, so this is the hall which is being almost in the finishing stage. The hall has a big window. Through the window you can see that there are a lot of flats, houses. It is surrounded by houses, and that is the west side of the road, and that is the east side of the road, and you have a big window, and this is the main entrance. So for this east facing flat, this is the hall where you can see there is a TV point connection, and once you enter through the hall, you can see that there is a kitchen at the southeast side. It is perfectly according to the Vastu. So there is a kitchen which is quite spacious, and it has a wash area. Almost like a 3x10 wash area, and then from the kitchen wash area you can see that there is from the top you can see there is a west side, the south side, there is also houses. So there is nothing big surrounding this apartment, so there is a lot of ventilation from the south side also, from the north side also. And this is again the kitchen. The kitchen has good platform for putting the gas stove and things like that, and there is a wash sink here. The kitchen has a window also which is opening into the wash area, and then we have between the hall and the kitchen there is a dining area. So you can put your dining material like a dining table and small utensils, whatever dishes in this particular area, including your fridge, things like that. You can keep a fridge and a micro oven, things like that, in this particular dining area. So again, this is the kitchen and this is the hall. Between the kitchen and hall you have a dining area, and the dining area also has a window which is opening towards the east. So you can as well put your the worship place, the puja, in this corner, northeast corner. You can put the puja. And coming to the bedrooms, now let us go to the bedroom. This is the master bedroom, which is on the southwest side. There is a master bedroom, and the master bedroom has a attached bathroom. Master bedroom, this is attached bathroom, so you have space, good amount of space in this bathroom, and you can see that the pipelines are also ready. So these are also the pipelines for both hot water and cold water. They have been provided with high quality flow guard pipes for both hot and cold water. We have used high quality pipes, and in the master bedroom you can see that there is a shelf which is ready. So you just have to put the wooden frame on it and you can use it, and this is the place for keeping your almara within the master bedroom. And the master bedroom has a huge window through which you can see that there's a lot of ventilation. This is towards the west side of the flat, and on the west road you can see that there is already lot of houses. In the middle of the houses this particular flat has been constructed, and then you can also see that once in the master bedroom we can see lot of ventilation from the south west side. Lot of ventilation, huge amount of ventilation. And then we are back into the dining area from the master bedroom, and now we are moving into the this is attached bathroom for the common area. So this is a common bathroom. You can say that this is a common bathroom which is opened into this this area between the master bedroom and the children bedroom. This toilet is coming between the master bedroom and children bedroom. So I will take you to the children bedroom now. So this is the children bedroom. So the children bedroom is on the northwest side. You have a children bedroom. So this children bedroom is also quite spacious, and it has a window, and it has a quite amount of good amount of shelves which you can keep all the material related to children, their books, their clothes, whatever it is. And that is the entrance for this children bedroom. Here you have the space for the children bedroom. Then this is the balcony attached to the children bedroom. So in this balcony you can see that there is a plenty of space to sit and do your works or study. Whatever you want to do, you can do in this children attached, that balcony attached to the children bedroom. And from the children bedroom there is a this balcony balcony will be coming. Here we'll put the railings and stuff like that, so that it will be safe. The railings will come here, and this is the street view from the northwest side from the children bedroom. So there are plenty of houses surrounded here. So once again you can see that there are a lot of huge apartments coming up at a little bit close distance, and already apartments are also available nearby. And you can also see that we are back into this particular, we are coming out of the children bedroom. And here, once you come out of the children bedroom, there is a opposite to this is a master bedroom, and just adjacent you have a toilet, common toilet, and then that is the kitchen from the children bedroom. And here this is your dining area. We are back into the dining area. So, and we are moving out of this flat now. Here this is the hall. As you enter into this hall, you can see that there is a plenty of ventilation, and this flat, this apartment has been constructed with high quality material, and good amount of seasoning has been done. Waterproofing, seasoning, and curing has been done, plenty of curing, so that you can rely on the quality, and they have used the high quality material. And also here there is the rooms are arranged in a systematic manner, so that the space is optimally used within this 1000 square feet flat. So in the 1000 square feet you are getting one hall and one kitchen and one dining area and master bedroom, children bedroom, and also two balconies, one attached to the kitchen, and another one is attached to the children bedroom. So this way you have a nice flat, almost ready. It will be ready in by May 2021. So if you book it now, you can occupy it by May 2021. So now we are in the February 21, and this is the lift, which is quite accessible from this flat. So once you are out of this flat, you can just get into this lift and go to the ground floor. And here is your corridor. You can say this is the corridor, and through this corridor you can also access the stairs. Through this corridor you can access the stairs, and if the lift is not working by any chance, you can go through these stairs to the ground floor. And obviously there is a lot of other facilities which I will show you at the parking area.